At Peerless, we understand the need for customers to have consistent, reliable interactions with their suppliers and distributors. In this video, we hope to give you a view into our quoting process and how we handle our customer interactions quickly and to the highest industry standards. We stay vigilant with our quote and transactions, preventing anything from interrupting the flow of your processes so that your products are in your hands when you need them.
When we are given any request, it is centrally received. The request is entered into our ERP system, which serves as our traffic control dashboard. It is then that a pilot is selected and brought on board to facilitate your navigation.
This refers to our account management and more often than not, the skills of our expert applications engineers. In fact, nearly 72% of all our requests have an engineering focus, giving us the experience to make the best decisions for material choice, component advising, and product selection possible for your needs. Although, since not every request we receive requires the same amount of review, when a price list item is requested or would be best fit, we strive to maintain an open quote time frame of less than 2 hours to ensure our response is as fast as possible. Our quantity of custom requests make it our specialty, where we navigate solutions using not only the wide technical expertise of our in-house engineers, but also the technical experience our sales staff has on developing custom products, charting a course directly to find what best fits your application swiftly and efficiently.
To ensure that each and every quote we process is given the attention and follow-through it needs, procedural and automatic operations are in place to oversee a proper landing. One such operation is the twice-daily cross-check we perform on quotes in process that may require additional action.
Using this, we monitor many evaluations of our performance, such as our NPS rating. For standards such as this, Peerless stands out from the crowd, ranking not just above global benchmarks, but far exceeding them, appearing alongside many leaders in their respective fields.
The team at Peerless has diligently worked to grow an understanding of the needs of each and every customer, knowing that our products and services contribute directly to the quality and safety of the environment you work in or the product you produce.